President Akufo-Addo has sworn into office 4 new justices of the Supreme Court. He used the occasion to indicate that the concept of deterrence must be an important part of sentencing policy, especially in the fight against galamsey and vigilantism. He said even though sentences are meted out in accordance with the Criminal Offences Act, there should be discretion for the judge within certain situations.
So the Republic of Ghana is by law established.
By taking the oath of secrecy, judicial and allegiance, these 4 personalities are now justices of the Supreme Court of Ghana. Mr. Justice Samuel K. Marful-Sam is a former Court of Appeal judge. Mrs. Justice Agnes Doji has also been administering justice at the country's Court of Appeal. Justice Nene Amegache is a private legal practitioner and former president of the Ghana Bar Association, and Mr. Justice Professor Ni Ashikote is an astute lecturer of the legal fraternity and former dean of the Faculty of Law, University of Ghana. The president was hopeful that the newly appointed justices will deliver effectively.
Much as I must be the first to recognize the dictates of due process and the protection of human rights, for me, and I believe for many, it continues to be a source of worry. The persons, for instance, caught in the act of destroying our environment and polluting our water bodies, the very inheritance of our future generations, because of the phenomenon of illegal mining, popularly referred to as galamsey, get away with lenient sentences. The media landscape is replete with accounts of persons who steal goats, for example, receiving sentences of not less than 2 years in prison. Yes, the sentences are meted out in accordance with the Criminal Offences Act, but I believe invariably there's discretion for the judge within a certain band. I suggest that in certain cases, the discretion must be exercised for the upper end of the band, i.e. for the maximum. The concept of deterrence must be an important part of sentencing policy, especially in areas of great social concern, such as the fight against galamsey and vigilantism.
Mr. Justice Samuel K. Marful-Sam, on behalf of the newly appointed justices of the Supreme Court, promised to deliver to the best of their ability.
We assure the nation that we shall discharge our judicial functions diligently, mindful of the judicial oath we have just taken to wait, to administer justice without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and to protect our Constitution and the laws of this Republic.
With their swearing in, the number of the country's Supreme Court justices is now 15.